What makes this conference fab?
It's fabulous.
Data, for sure, and the community, and all just the exchange of ideas and everything that we are talking about. The focus on data is just great.
It's the community, all of us. We make it fabulous.
I think it's amazing to see how many people turn up and able to share their experiences with everyone else. It's amazing.
The people, the technology, and the community all coming together.
I think the excitement that people have, especially for some of the new things that are coming up, things that we didn't know about. And so I think that made it great.
I love the food. The food is terrific. And just see the whole community gathering around, it's just fabulous.
Also networking, it's really nice to meet people across the world. And you don't really have another opportunity like this where you have so many like-minded people in one space.